Airport security checks are becoming stricter in 2026, and many travelers are still getting delayed because of simple medication mistakes. In this video, how to bring medicine through airport security, important travel tips will explain how to carry pills, liquid medicine, syringes, and medical devices through TSA screening without unnecessary problems. Even common items like vitamins, insulin, or cough syrup can trigger extra inspection if packed the wrong way. These updated airport security rules are especially important for seniors, international travelers, and passengers with medical conditions. Watch until the end to avoid stressful delays and costly mistakes before your next flight. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart travel tips and TSA updates. Number 10. Keep medicine in original containers. Airport security officers often look closely at unlabeled pills and mixed medication bottles. Loose tablets inside plastic bags can immediately raise suspicion during TSA screening. Prescription medicine should stay inside the original pharmacy container whenever possible. Labels showing the passenger's name and prescription details can help avoid long delays and extra questions. This becomes even more important during international travel, where customs officers may inspect medication more carefully. Travelers carrying multiple prescriptions should organize them clearly before arriving at the airport. A few seconds of preparation can prevent major stress at the checkpoint. Number 9. Separate liquid medicine before screening. Many travelers forget that liquid medication still needs special handling at security checkpoints. TSA allows medically necessary liquids larger than normal carry-on limits, but officers usually expect those items to be declared before screening begins. Cough syrup, saline solution, liquid antibiotics, and nutritional drinks can trigger bag inspections if packed incorrectly. Keeping medical liquids separate from regular toiletries can speed up the screening process. Clear organization also helps avoid spills inside carry-on luggage. Travelers who hide medical liquids under clothing or deep inside bags may face longer inspections in 2026. Number 8. Never pack essential medicine in checked bags. Lost luggage remains a major travel problem, especially during busy holiday seasons and weather delays. Essential medication should always stay inside carry-on luggage instead of checked baggage. Blood pressure medicine, diabetes supplies, asthma inhalers, and heart medication may become impossible to replace quickly in another city or country. Delayed flights can also leave passengers without access to critical prescriptions for many hours. TSA officers are used to seeing medication inside carry-ons, so keeping important medicine nearby is considered normal travel practice. Smart travelers prepare for unexpected airport problems before leaving home. Number 7. Bring prescription documents for controlled drugs. Certain medications receive extra attention from airport security because they are classified as controlled substances. Strong pain medication, anxiety pills, ADHD prescriptions, and sleep aids may trigger additional screening in some airports. Carrying a copy of the prescription or a doctor's note can help answer questions quickly. International travelers should be especially careful because medication laws vary by country. Some legal prescriptions in one nation may face restrictions elsewhere. Clear medical documentation can reduce confusion and prevent unnecessary delays at customs checkpoints in 2026. Number 6. Medical devices can trigger extra screening. Insulin pumps, CPAP machines, glucose monitors, and portable oxygen equipment often require additional TSA inspection. Travelers using medical devices should notify security officers before entering body scanners. Some devices cannot safely pass through certain screening machines. Airport officers may perform hand inspections or explosive residue testing instead. Proper preparation can make the process much smoother. Keeping medical equipment organized and easy to access helps reduce stress during busy security checks. Travelers who wait until the last second to explain medical devices often face slower screening lines and extra confusion. Number 5. Vitamins and supplements can still get attention. Many passengers believe vitamins and supplements are ignored during airport screening, but large quantities can still attract attention. Powder supplements, herbal capsules, and unmarked nutrition products sometimes trigger bag inspections because officers cannot immediately identify them. Protein powders are especially common during secondary screening checks in 2026. Keeping supplements in sealed, labeled containers helps reduce suspicion at checkpoints. Travelers carrying large amounts for long trips may benefit from packing documentation or receipts. Simple preparation can prevent unnecessary questioning during security inspections. Number 4. Ice packs and cooling bags have special rules. Temperature-sensitive medicines such as insulin often requires cooling packs during travel. TSA generally allows frozen gel packs and medical cooling bags when used for medication storage. However, partially melted ice packs may receive additional screening if officers cannot confirm their purpose. Medical items should stay organized and easy to explain during inspection. Travelers carrying refrigerated medicine should avoid burying cooling packs under clothing or electronics inside luggage. Proper packing makes the screening process faster and helps protect valuable medication during long flights and airport delays. Number 3. International airports may follow different rules. Many travelers assume TSA rules apply everywhere, but international airports often have different medication policies. Some countries limit certain painkillers, sleeping pills, or injectable medication, even with valid prescriptions. Travelers entering foreign countries may need translated medical documents or advance approval for specific drugs. Airport security officers overseas may also inspect medication more carefully than domestic TSA checkpoints. Researching destination laws before departure can prevent serious travel problems. Medication mistakes that seem small in one country could lead to confiscation or questioning somewhere else in 2026. Number 2. Pill organizers can create problems. Weekly pill organizers help many travelers stay organized, but they can create confusion during airport screening. Security officers may question unidentified tablets stored without labels or prescription details. While pill organizers are not banned, they sometimes trigger additional inspection if multiple medications appear mixed together. Travelers carrying important prescriptions may avoid problems by packing original containers alongside organizers. This becomes especially useful during international travel or medical emergencies. Organized medication storage can save valuable time at crowded airport checkpoints where security officers already face heavy passenger traffic. Number 1. Declaring medication. Early makes screening easier. One of the smartest travel habits in 2026 is informing TSA officers about medical items before screening begins. Hidden syringes, liquid medicine, or medical equipment can surprise officers during bag scans and create unnecessary delays. Calm communication usually makes the process much smoother. Travelers who clearly explain medical needs often pass security faster than passengers who stay silent until questions begin. Organized packing, visible medication storage, and proper documentation all help reduce stress at the checkpoint. Small preparation steps can make the difference between a smooth flight and a stressful airport experience. Airport security mistakes involving medication are becoming more common as TSA screening rules continue evolving in 2026. Simple packing errors can lead to delays, extra inspections, and even confiscated items during travel. Understanding these updated medication rules before arriving at the airport can save time, reduce stress, and help avoid serious problems at security checkpoints. Smart preparation always makes travel easier. If this video helped, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more airport tips, TSA updates, and smart travel advice for 2026.